My goal was to retire in 10. So that meant without a job and without a 401k, without IRAs and all that. So we did it by being entrepreneurs and investors in real estate. So I retired at 47, Kim was retired at 37.
Becoming financially literate. Welcome back to Investment Tribe, where you've subscribed because you want to learn and generate money from cryptocurrency and other digital assets. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and enable the notifications so you will be alerted when we post a new video. Also, don't skip any parts of this so that you don't miss out on important details. And if you have any questions or recommendations, please share them in the comment section below. Today, I will teach you the power that is financial literacy. I will talk about 4 important rules that will hopefully lead you to financial freedom. Follow these simple rules and your money game will surely level up as long as you're willing and dedicated. So keep in mind, I will be giving you this lesson for free. So give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you want to show your appreciation. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy is an individual's knowledge in making effective and rational decisions with their financial resources. This is extremely essential if you want to achieve your financial freedom or financial independence, or where you no longer have to depend on your job for income stability. But I want you to also know about this other concept called financial confidence. This is how confident you are in generating money, unlike financial freedom where it is based on the amount of money that you currently have. Many people think that money is scarce and making more money is futile, but that is wrong. In actuality, money is everywhere, but the ones who can acquire them are those who have the skill and knowledge. That's why being financially literate is a game changer. Money is a game, and games have sets of rules. If you follow these rules, then you will become a financial master for sure. 2 reasons why people don't learn more about finance. As we all know, information is at its most accessible since the dawn of time. It's so easy to learn something online, and most of it is free. Information is literally one tap away, so why is 90% of the population still financially ignorant? Well, there is still hope. Financially ignorant people can change a few bad habits and develop a rich mindset. All rich people are financially literate. Well, except those that got lucky by inheriting a huge sum of money or by winning the lottery. However, some studies said that 70% of people who won the lottery still ended up bankrupt even after just a few years. So it just goes to show that being rich is not just how much money is in your bank account, but it is a mindset, a skill on how well you handle your money. You can lose all your money no matter how big it is if you don't know how to do with them. That's why being financially educated or literate is a game changer if you truly want to be rich. So it seems like financial literacy is easy to learn because of the internet, but people still don't learn about it. Why is that? Here are the 2 main reasons why. Number 1, conventional wisdom. Financial education is not conventional. Most people will tell you that money does not grow on trees, or money is the root of all evil, and it's hindering others to even try learning financial literacy. Another idea that's been given a bad name is debt. Debt can be good if you know how to use it, but our mindset of debt is that it is so scary. But it can be impactful to a person's life both ways, good or bad. You should start taking notes to one that knows what they are doing, one that can give you tips of becoming financially literate. Just like in sports, you would listen to someone that knows the sport rather than your friend that knows it just as much as you, wouldn't you? This can be applied to financial education as well. Number 2, comfort zone and self-esteem. Rich people believe that they generate money by being confident and having self-esteem, self-image, and believing that you truly deserve to be wealthier and happier is so effective in pushing you to become rich. This is because this confidence will help you in coming out of your comfort zone and taking risks. So it's like a chain reaction. First, you need to see yourself rich. Then, this will give you the confidence. which in turn will overcome your barriers and take that giant leap out of your comfort zone. Most people are not successful because they are afraid of success. For example, taking a loan for a business will make most of us uncomfortable because it's too risky and is stepping out of our comfort zone, and only confidence can make you overcome this. So work on your self-image and confidence first before learning financial literacy. With this, we can now start talking about the 4 important rules of being financially educated. Rule number 1, don't invest in what you don't understand. You might not know this, but you will never become rich just by working for someone else. Investing is the way to go if you want to multiply your money. And one of the most important investments that you will ever make is to invest in yourself. You need to invest in yourself before investing in stocks or real estate. So what this means is that you have to learn. Train that brain to become financially savvy. Invest in your business by researching what's new, what works, and what doesn't. Running a business is like a car. It needs to be fed with money for it to operate. For example, investing in market research and new product development will help propel your business. Investing in real estate is basically buy low and sell high, just like any other investment. Most will start with small homes, then it gets bigger until they move to commercial spaces, hotels, offices, and more. Your target is to find units or structures with potential that have been mistreated, fix them, and then wait for the price to rise before selling them. Investing in stocks is a valid option too. It is like you're buying a small part of the company, and you earn a profit when the company earns profit based on what you invested in. But again, be very careful as investing in stocks is pretty risky. So these are some of the more well-known and important types of investment. Keep in mind that whatever you invest in, be sure to know what you're getting into. There can be a lot of misleading information out there, so be sure to conduct research before putting your money into an investment or to seek advice from a professional. That's why never invest in something you do not understand. Rule number 2. Debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. This is a hot take, but having debt is good sometimes. It can be a very powerful tool when done right. If you know how to use debt properly, it can be of great advantage for sure. And debts have so much bad image that a lot of us miss out on opportunities that it has to offer. There are 2 types of debt, good and bad. Bad debt is the one that you just know you cannot be able to pay. For example, your student loans. Teenagers don't deserve this type of problem early on in their lives. That is why student debts are so painful and can haunt you even in your adulthood. That is why consider all the factors when getting a student loan. While good debt is the complete opposite. This one, you're positive that you can pay off, and this can be used to your advantage to earn more money. For example, taking a loan for your business. Again, consider all the factors. Plan how you can pay off the debt regularly, and if it works well, you can use this debt to expand your business that can result in more profit. Rule number 3. Think rich. Thinking rich is the mindset of seeing and acting rich. Basically, doing the things rich people do. And yes, this includes living above your means from time to time. I know, we are taught that we should live as frugal as possible if we want to get rich in the future. This is great advice, but this can also bring negative mindset. Think of it like this. In order to take risks, you need to be confident and sometimes need to buy things that make us confident. As long as you're disciplined on spending your money, then living somewhat above your means would not be a problem. Having a Starbucks every once in a while will not make you file for bankruptcy. Saving money is great, but spending to learn new skills that will make you more money is far greater. Adopt this mindset and you will see opportunities that you did not see before. Rule number 4. Develop skills to acquire assets. Assets are good, since these are the things that can make us rich. On the other hand, liabilities are things that take our money away. The biggest asset one can have is the brain, and developing it can make it more valuable. Some skills are very demanded, and they have 2 things in common. Number one, they bring value to the market. And number two, they make you a lot of money. That's why, as I've said earlier, start developing new skills that can help you make money. Have income from scratch. Know yourself. What can you do and what best fit your style to acquire more assets in the future. That's it. Hope you learned something and somehow opened your mind to the world of financial literacy. What's your greatest takeaway from this video? Be sure to let me know in the comments down below. That's all for now. As usual, this is Investment Tribe. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe to the video.